First video going over Leetcode problems. I'm going to start with the very basic do sum problem. So let's get started. To solve this problem, I'm going to be using Hashmap. So let's take care of some corner cases first. If nums array is null, just return null. And to solve this problem, I'm going to be using a Hashmap data structure of integers. And here it's done. And since the result is of type integer array, we're going to create a simple integer array. Of 2 because we just have to return 2 indices. And now let's start iterating over the nums array that we have. I is less than nums dot length plus plus. And if you guys already noticed, I'm using Java for this. So let's first start with this part to a temporary variable in which we do we reduce the number, we subtract the current number from target and store it. Minus nums of I, and we do hm.put temp and the index at which we saw that number. Above that, we will want to just do a quick if condition. This is the main business logic, main condition, where we check if hm dot contains key nums of I, then result of 0 is gonna be hm dot get nums of I, result of 1 is equal to I, and return result. This is going to be empty if we never find anything. So we can assume. So how this is going to work is, let me explain it here with just taking this example array. So say we start with number 2. So when I is 0, nums of I is 2. Hashmap has nothing, so right now, so hm dot contains key nums of I is nothing. So let's go down. We do, so now here my temp would be equal to 9 minus 2 is 7, and my hashmap becomes, in hashmap I put 7 comma 0 because I is 0 at this point. Now I becomes 1, nums of I is 7. Now we check this condition, if hm dot contains key nums of I. So does my hash map contain key with a value 7? It does here. So in that case, I would just go down, I would make my result of 0 as hm dot get nums of I. So that means we get this value, which is 0, the index. So we put it into result. So now the result array looks something like this: 0 comma and then I, the value of I currently is 1, so we put 1, and that's it. That's what we return. So the thing is that as you keep going through the nums array, you keep subtracting that number from target and storing it in hashmap. So whenever you see that number again, that means that you are looking for the number that is stored in a hashmap. So if you ever see that number in the nums array sometime later in the future, you know that you have found your match, and then you can just return those 2 number indices here. So let's go ahead and submit this code. Yep, there you go. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please let me know what you guys like to see next in the comment section below, and please like, subscribe and share my channel. Thank you.